Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 93 litre D350 X. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which is great for allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel. Once we open up the boot, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a small cabin-sized suitcase or perhaps any essentials you need to travel with. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 29,149 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. Along with a clear sight interior rear view mirror, and this just helps to give you an unobstructed view of what may be behind you. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst travelling. You also have your 4x4 information, along with your weight sensing and your terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. Further helping even more is the off-road feature on your 360 view camera. The 3D view allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and paired with this is a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 93 litre D350 X. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.